My name is Bill Hill. I do mainly plumbing, but I also deal with the HVAC here at Johnston Willis Hospital, the HCA. I want to give a testament to Drain Punch. I've been doing this type of work over 30 years, and it's the best product I've ever used for drain cleaning. We were talking about using the SOS Drain Punch. One of the major reasons I like it is that it doesn't have any odor to it. You can pour it through standing water, and it's even though it's slightly alkaline, it's not caustic to the pipes or to the plumbing, and you don't get any splashback or blowback from it. It works real well.
The Sauce Metal Drain Punch has saved my maintenance team tons of time. It has worked miracles here at Georgetown and Kent Road Village. I even used it in my home in my sink drain personally, and I had a very clogged sink drain, and in seconds it worked like a charm. I highly recommend, if you want to clean out your drains, you call Carl and get him to hook you up with some Drain Punch.
So Chuck, how did you come to know about Drain Punch?
I actually came across it through the University of Richmond. They had a salesman there that was selling it, and I tried it one time just as a last resort. We tried snaking it, we tried jetting it, and couldn't get it to go through, and I dumped it in there, and last hope, next to tearing out the wall, and 15 minutes later it took off. I've used it at the university, I've used it in commercial applications, and now I've used it in residential applications. And not once disappointed yet. I'll keep looking for something to...
Keep trying, huh? Thank you. With another happy customer, and Daryl, what do you think about Drain Punch?
Oh, this Drain Punch is awesome. It works real good. It's not only just for when you just pour it in drains. I use it in standing water. One time I had a tub stoppage that was just standing water, and I poured it in there, went away, came back 3 minutes later, it was gone. This stuff is good. It's the real deal. Better than liquid plumber, better than anything.
Does it have any smell or anything that bothers you?
No smell, nothing.
Thank you so much.
So today I just ordered my new case of Drain Punch, the automatic Drain Punch. Great stuff. Saves your hands from using the snake. 15 minutes, you're good to go. Drain Punch.
Hey Kenny, get some of that Drain Punch. Good stuff.
But once plumbers that use it, how are you all talking about it around here?
Yeah, we like it. It works. It's good stuff.
Thank you.
Drain Punch from a vendor of ours that we use at the James Center. We're a 1 million square foot of high-rise building, and this stuff ain't nothing but the truth. I greatly appreciate the project, man.
All right. How have you seen it make a change in your operations?
Well, put it like this. I had a 4-inch stack that had about a half-inch hole in it. We put it in there after we snaked it. We came back the next day and opened the clean out. It was wide open.
Holy moly.
Oh yeah, I like this stuff here. And it works with my high rise. I appreciate it.
My name is Chris Hamilton. I'm at Georgetown Apartments, maintenance supervisor. And I tried some of this Drain Punch, and it works. I'm sold to it, and I will keep using it as of today. I used some today on a garbage disposal, and I poured some in there, waited 30 minutes, came back, poured some water in it, and everything went down. So this is a good product to get. It's a good product. So
this is the best thing on the market. I poured it in 30 minutes ago, had a stopped up sink, it unstopped itself. The best thing I ever used. I've been doing plumbing 10 years.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Scott. I'm with John Randolph Medical Center in Hopewell, Virginia. A little testament on the Social Metals Drain Punch. It will clean the black grime, the black goo out of the drain pipes. I've seen it firsthand just recently, and it's a good product.
What'd you just do?
I just told this guy we don't need a snake. This stuff works. This works.
Jackpot.
Déjales explico algo. Quise destapar un zinc con esto y no pude. Le metí el snake y no pude. Lo mejor es esto, el líquido. Se lo echan en 10-15 minutos, destapa la tubería.
Hello, plumbers and maintenance supervisors. My name is Mike Bowles. I'm a maintenance supervisor with over 40 years experience in the plumbing field. I want to tell you about this very safe, very effective drain cleaner on the market right now, Drain Punch. Drain Punch will do the job. If you've already tried everything else, try Drain Punch. Have you ever tried sulfuric acid drain cleaner? It's very dangerous. This is a safe alternative to sulfuric acid drain cleaner, and this does just what it says. It punches the drain. If you've already used the snake, you've already used the plunger, you've already used some other drain cleaner, try this product. It'll get the job done for you.